Raids. You must have watched them happen in movies or read about them in the news. Income tax raids, raids for seizing drugs, raids by the CBI or ED. However, let me tell you, these are not the only types of raids. As an intellectual property lawyer, I have conducted another kind of raid, raids for seizing goods that are violating or infringing upon another company's trademark. I have also conducted raids for seizing counterfeit goods. You must be thinking that I'm bluffing. How can a lawyer conduct a raid? Isn't that for police officers and other government officers? Well, you're right that the police is also a part of these raids. However, they aren't the only ones. We IP lawyers are also a part of these raids. So now let me explain how it happens. When we file cases on behalf of our clients against other persons for violation of trademark, we file certain applications along with the main case. One of the applications that I have spoken about many times in my earlier episodes is for an injunction or a temporary stay order to stop the sale of goods being sold under the infringing mark till the time that the complete case is finally decided. Another type of application that we file is one for carrying out a raid or an inspection, for which we request the court to appoint a local commissioner. In this application, we ask the court to appoint a lawyer as a local commissioner to go with us for carrying out the inspection of the premises where we suspect that the goods being sold under the violating or infringing trademark have been kept. This local commissioner is a neutral third party who is neither representing our client or the other side. And once the court is satisfied that we have a prima facie case, meaning that on the face of it, it is likely that our case is authentic, the court will appoint a local commissioner and explain in its order what all we and the commissioner are legally entitled to do during this inspection or raid. The court may direct that the order is not uploaded online on its website till the time that the raid is carried out and the report is submitted to maintain an element of surprise. So now let me give you a visual of what the raids that I have conducted look like. Firstly, I would go along with the lawyer appointed as a local commissioner by the court to the local police station or the area where the raid is to be conducted. We would then show the police the court order allowing the raid. We would then go along with the police and local commissioner to the premises. We would show the persons at the premises the court order and begin the raid. We would take pictures and videos of everything, especially of any infringing products that we find. If anyone tries to stop us there, they would be obstructing the execution of a court order and would face the risk of further charges. We would also seize any account books or registers or invoices that we find, which show that the goods were sold under the violating or infringing trademark. This would include both physical registers and electronic records on laptops, which we would be legally allowed to take onto pen drives. We would also seize the infringing goods and the commissioner would make a written inventory of the same. We would then make the persons present on the spot sign some legal documents and then we would leave the spot. Reports of these raids conducted would be filed by the local commissioners in court. So that's about it. Raids in IP. It's quite an experience, I would say, to get to do this as a lawyer. I would say it's also something that is very much in public interest. Sale of goods under infringing trademarks or the sale of counterfeit goods brings low quality, oftentimes very dangerous products into the market, which could cause some serious harm to the health and well-being of consumers. It is important to stop the sale of such goods, not only for the sake of the clients that we present or to fulfill our role as lawyers, but also to keep the consuming public safe, sound, and healthy. I hope you have enjoyed today's episode and got to learn something new about the world of IP law. Have a great day and stay tuned to my channel to watch more exciting episodes about my experiences as a lawyer. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon.